Welcome to today's exclusive mansion tour, where luxury meets timeless elegance. Get ready to explore a stunning home themed in deep burgundy and creamy ivory tones. As you approach this magnificent mansion, the deep burgundy exterior instantly captivates the eye. Creamy ivory trims and tall pillars frame the entrance, giving a regal yet inviting charm. The large windows are accented with delicate ivory molding, allowing soft light to flood the interiors. The pristine driveway leads up to the front door, bordered by perfectly trimmed greenery that contrasts beautifully with the warm burgundy walls. The overall symmetry and color harmony create a bold yet balanced statement. This striking facade sets the tone for the luxury that awaits inside. Every element speaks of sophisticated design and impeccable taste. From this vantage point, you can admire the meticulous craftsmanship and attention to detail. The interplay between the rich burgundy and the soft ivory evokes a sense of warmth and grandeur. Outdoor lighting fixtures with cream-hued lamps add a touch of elegance for nighttime allure. The front lawn is immaculately maintained, dotted with subtle floral accents that complement the color palette. This front view is a perfect teaser, inviting guests to step inside and experience the refined beauty within. It's a home designed to impress and inspire at every glance. Welcome to a masterpiece of architectural luxury. The back of the mansion reveals a more private and tranquil side, with the deep burgundy walls softened by expansive creamy ivory framed glass doors. These doors open seamlessly to the outdoor living spaces, blending indoor comfort with nature's calm. The burgundy stone patio is paired with elegant ivory lounge chairs, creating a perfect setting for relaxation or social gatherings. Lush landscaping surrounds the area, featuring hints of burgundy blossoms and soft greenery to maintain the cohesive theme. Large windows ensure every room enjoys views of the serene backyard retreat. The back view exudes understated sophistication with a hint of cozy warmth. Here, the architecture balances grandeur with comfort, making it an ideal sanctuary for family life or entertaining guests. The creamy ivory pergola provides shade while echoing the home's signature palette, offering an elegant spot for outdoor dining or quiet reflection. Subtle outdoor lighting casts a gentle glow at dusk, enhancing the space's inviting atmosphere. The harmonious blend of deep burgundy and creamy ivory creates a seamless transition from the mansion's interiors to its natural surroundings. This backyard is a peaceful oasis designed to delight the senses and soothe the soul. It's a private haven that complements the home's luxury perfectly. The garden is a beautifully curated space where deep burgundy flowers bloom against creamy ivory stone pathways. The winding paths invite leisurely strolls through carefully landscaped beds filled with a mixture of seasonal plants. Ivory garden statues and wrought iron benches painted in burgundy add artistic touches that elevate the outdoor ambience. Subtle garden lighting with cream shades illuminates the space at night, creating a romantic and magical atmosphere. The vibrant greenery contrasts beautifully with the rich color palette, making every detail pop. This garden is both a visual feast and a peaceful retreat. It's designed to be enjoyed year-round. Every corner of this garden echoes the mansion's luxurious theme, combining nature's elegance with refined design. The use of burgundy-tinted mulch and creamy gravel adds texture and depth to the beds. Softly humming water features add a soothing soundtrack to the serene environment. The balance of colors and textures creates a harmonious outdoor space that feels both lush and inviting. Whether for quiet mornings or lively garden parties, this garden enhances the mansion's overall grandeur. It's a perfect example of luxury living extending beyond the walls. Nature and design blend effortlessly here. The pool area is a showstopper, with deep burgundy mosaic tiles lining the pool's interior and creamy ivory stone decking framing its edges. This sophisticated color combination elevates the outdoor space, making it feel like a private luxury resort. Comfortable cream-colored loungers surround the pool, accented by burgundy umbrellas that provide shade and style. Underwater lighting shifts gently between warm ivory and burgundy tones, creating an enchanting glow as evening falls. Tall burgundy planters with lush tropical plants add privacy and lushness to the setting. The pool area offers both relaxation and entertainment in a lavish environment. Every detail has been crafted to perfection. This space seamlessly combines luxury and tranquility, inviting you to unwind or entertain with flair. The creamy ivory cabana with plush seating offers a shaded retreat while maintaining the color theme. The sleek outdoor kitchen and bar area nearby are perfect for hosting poolside gatherings in style. The rich burgundy and creamy ivory palette creates a dramatic yet soothing ambience that feels both exclusive and welcoming. This pool is more than just a water feature. It's a lifestyle statement. It beautifully embodies the mansion's overarching theme of elegance and comfort. Step into the living room where deep burgundy velvet sofas invite you to sink into pure comfort against creamy ivory walls and lush carpets. The grand fireplace, surrounded by ivory marble, serves as a stunning focal point that radiates warmth and sophistication. Floor-to-ceiling burgundy drapes frame the large windows, casting a cozy glow throughout the room. Accent pillows and decorative vases echo the color scheme, adding texture and visual interest. Soft cream-toned lighting fixtures illuminate the space with elegance and subtlety. This living room perfectly balances grandeur and intimacy, making it ideal for both lively gatherings and quiet evenings. Every element has been curated to create a cohesive and luxurious environment. The rich textures of the upholstery contrast with the smooth, polished surfaces, enhancing the tactile experience. A statement burgundy area rug grounds the space, tying all the design elements together. Artwork with hints of ivory and burgundy adorns the walls, adding depth and personality. The room feels spacious yet inviting, designed for both comfort and aesthetic appeal. It's a place where style meets livability effortlessly. This living room truly reflects the mansion's deep burgundy and creamy ivory theme in every detail. The grand entrance lobby welcomes you with soaring ceilings and an exquisite chandelier featuring crystals in burgundy and ivory hues. The glossy cream marble floor with burgundy inlays adds to the sense of opulence and grandeur. Ornate moldings and wall paneling painted in creamy ivory frame the space, highlighting the mansion's rich color theme. The curved staircase with a burgundy carpet runner invites guests to explore the upper floors in style. Tall, elegant vases filled with deep burgundy blooms sit atop ivory pedestals, adding a natural touch to the lavish interior. This lobby sets the stage for the luxurious journey through the home. Soft, warm lighting reflects off the polished surfaces, enhancing the welcoming atmosphere without losing sophistication. The careful blend of textures, from the smooth marble to plush fabrics, creates a tactile richness that delights the senses. This grand entrance feels both majestic and inviting, embodying the perfect balance of formality and comfort. The color combo of deep burgundy and creamy ivory is woven seamlessly into every design choice. It's a true showcase of luxury living at its finest. Visitors are left in awe the moment they step inside. The kitchen is a masterpiece of design, featuring deep burgundy cabinetry paired with creamy ivory marble countertops. High-end stainless steel appliances blend seamlessly into the rich color palette, adding modern flair without distracting from the theme. The large island in the center doubles as a breakfast bar with plush ivory stools, perfect for casual dining or entertaining. Under-cabinet lighting highlights the beautiful marble backsplash, reflecting soft cream hues throughout the space. Ample storage and smart organization keep the kitchen functional while maintaining its luxurious aesthetic. This kitchen is a perfect balance of beauty and practicality. Every detail is thoughtfully designed to enhance both cooking and socializing experiences. The deep burgundy woodwork adds warmth and depth, while the creamy ivory floors and walls keep the space bright and airy. Elegant brass fixtures and hardware add a subtle touch of sophistication and complement the overall palette. Whether preparing meals or hosting guests, this kitchen offers a lavish setting that is both inviting and efficient. It's a culinary haven where style and function coexist beautifully. The deep burgundy and creamy ivory theme shines through every corner. The dining hall impresses with its rich burgundy upholstered chairs surrounding a grand creamy ivory marble table. A statement chandelier with burgundy crystals hangs overhead, casting a warm, ambient light perfect for intimate dinners or festive gatherings. Tall windows with ivory curtains let in natural light, softening the rich colors and creating an elegant yet cozy atmosphere. Decorative moldings and artwork on the walls incorporate the color theme, adding depth and sophistication. The room's layout promotes connection and conversation, making every meal a special occasion. It's a space designed to impress and delight. Accents like burgundy floral centerpieces and cream-toned tableware complete the refined look. The warm tones of the burgundy chairs contrast beautifully against the smooth ivory surfaces, creating visual harmony. The polished hardwood floor adds an extra layer of texture and warmth underfoot. This dining hall feels luxurious yet welcoming, ideal for hosting both formal dinners and casual family meals. Every element reflects the mansion's deep burgundy and creamy ivory motif. It's a true feast for the eyes and the senses. The master bedroom envelopes you in luxury with deep burgundy walls, softened by creamy ivory crown molding and plush carpets. A king-size bed with burgundy velvet headboard stands as a centerpiece, dressed in creamy ivory linens with burgundy accents. Soft, layered lighting, including bedside lamps and sconces, creates a relaxing ambience, perfect for unwinding. This serene sanctuary is designed for comfort and elegance. The mix of rich colors and soft textures invites rest and rejuvenation. A cozy sitting area with burgundy armchairs and an ivory rug provides a perfect nook for reading or quiet moments. Carefully chosen decor pieces, such as vases and lamps in matching hues, tie the room's aesthetic together. The master bedroom reflects the mansion's signature theme, creating a harmonious and restful retreat. It's a space that feels both indulgent and welcoming. The walk-in closet is a fashion lover's dream, featuring deep burgundy cabinetry with creamy ivory shelving and drawers. Soft lighting highlights the luxurious finishes, while large mirrors framed in ivory add depth and functionality. Ample space allows for organized storage of clothing, shoes, and accessories, all displayed with elegance. A burgundy upholstered bench offers a comfortable spot to prepare your outfit in style. The closet's design perfectly complements the mansion's overall palette, blending practicality with luxury. Every detail is crafted for convenience and aesthetic appeal. The creamy ivory walls brighten the space and contrast beautifully with the rich burgundy tones. Thoughtful touches like velvet-lined drawers and sleek brass hardware add sophistication. The closet feels spacious yet intimate, making it easy to indulge in your personal style. This space is a seamless extension of the mansion's deep burgundy and creamy ivory theme. It's where luxury meets everyday function. The bathroom is a sanctuary of elegance with creamy ivory marble floors and countertops, paired with deep burgundy cabinetry and accents. A large soaking tub with burgundy tiling surrounds invites relaxation, while gold fixtures add a touch of opulence. Soft ivory towels and bath mats complement the rich color scheme, creating a spa-like atmosphere. The vanity area is spacious, featuring dual sinks with matching burgundy and ivory finishes. Large mirrors framed in cream reflect natural light, brightening the serene space. The lighting is warm and flattering, enhancing the luxurious feel of the bathroom. Decorative touches like burgundy candles and ivory vases bring warmth and personality to the space. The seamless blend of these rich tones creates a perfect balance between boldness and tranquility. This bathroom offers a refined retreat for daily routines and indulgent pampering. It reflects a mansion's deep burgundy and creamy ivory theme in every elegant detail, a perfect blend of beauty and comfort. Step into home theater, where deep burgundy walls and plush ivory seating create a cozy yet glamorous atmosphere. The room is designed for ultimate comfort, with reclining chairs upholstered in soft ivory leather accented by burgundy cushions. Soundproofing panels in burgundy ensure an immersive audio experience without distractions. This space is perfect for movie nights or binge watching your favorite shows in style. The combination of deep burgundy and creamy ivory offers a dramatic yet inviting setting. Additional decor like burgundy and ivory framed movie posters add personality and charm. Whether hosting guests or enjoying quiet entertainment, this home theater embodies luxury and comfort. It's an indulgent retreat designed to elevate every viewing experience. The color scheme here continues the mansion's sophisticated theme flawlessly. The garage is a showcase of both function and luxury, featuring deep burgundy walls accented with creamy ivory trim and polished concrete floors. Sleek storage cabinets and ivory keep tools and gear neatly organized, blending seamlessly into the overall design. Spotlights highlight the collection of luxury cars parked within, their glossy finishes reflecting the rich color palette. This space is more than just a garage. It's a statement of lifestyle and passion for automobiles. The deep burgundy backdrop highlights the shine and contours of each car, creating a visually stunning display. The creamy ivory accents add brightness and contrast, preventing the space from feeling dark or cramped. With both beauty and utility in mind, this garage perfectly complements the mansion's deep burgundy and creamy ivory theme. It's a luxurious retreat for car enthusiasts who appreciate style and precision. Thank you for joining this tour of a mansion where deep burgundy meets creamy ivory in perfect harmony. Stay tuned for more luxury home tours that inspire and captivate.